Welcome to TechVerse, where we bring you the latest in groundbreaking tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated display specifications of the Xiaomi 16 Pro, a device that promises to redefine what we expect from flagship smartphones. And while the tech world eagerly awaits the Xiaomi 15 Ultra launch this month, Xiaomi is already pushing boundaries with its next-generation Xiaomi 16 series, setting new standards in display aesthetics that may soon leave competitors in the dust. According to a recent leak from the well-known tipster digital chat station DCS, the Xiaomi 16 Pro is rumored to feature a massive 6.85-inch 2K 120Hz LTPO OLED display, enhanced by cutting-edge lipo technology, which enables it to achieve four symmetrical ultra-thin bezels that could potentially surpass the bezel design of Apple's current premium models. And when we compare these rumored bezel dimensions to Apple's narrowest bezel devices, we find that the iPhone 16 Pro Max sports uniform bezels of 1.36 millimeters, while the iPhone 16 Pro has slightly wider side bezels of 1.44 millimeters and top and bottom bezels of 1.41 millimeters. In contrast, the Xiaomi 16 Pro's design aims to reduce bezel size even further, setting a new benchmark that the industry has not seen before. And this breakthrough in bezel technology is particularly exciting because it not only enhances the visual appeal and immersive experience of the display, but also maximizes the usable screen real estate, making it a significant upgrade over previous models like the Xiaomi 15, and even challenging the industry giants such as Apple and Oppo, whose devices like the iPhone 16 and Oppo Find X8 have already pushed the envelope in display technology. The innovative approach taken by Xiaomi in the 16 series reflects a deep understanding of consumer demand for a sleeker, more modern design that combines stunning visuals with practical usability. And if these rumors hold true, the Xiaomi 16 Pro will set a new standard in mobile display technology that is sure to captivate photography enthusiasts, gamers, and everyday users alike, who have long desired a smartphone that not only performs exceptionally well, but also offers an unparalleled viewing experience. As Xiaomi continues to innovate and challenge the status quo, the potential impact of the Xiaomi 16 Pro's ultra-thin bezel design could influence the future of smartphone displays across the industry, prompting competitors to rethink their design strategies and push further toward minimizing bezels without compromising durability or display quality. And while many details about the full specifications remain under wraps, one thing is clear. The Xiaomi 16 Pro is positioned to become a game changer in the flagship smartphone market. So, as we await more information and the official launch, keep your eyes peeled for further updates on this revolutionary device that may very well set a new benchmark for what a premium smartphone display should be. Thank you for tuning in to this detailed exploration of the Xiaomi 16 Pro's display innovations. If you found this review insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech analysis and reviews. And remember, this is TechVerse signing off.